Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Natalia and I help you learn Russian the easy and fun way. Today we're talking about something very important, Russian verb conjunction. Don't worry, it sounds scary, but by the end of this video, you'll be conjugating like a pro. By the way, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson. Also, I've prepared a short test for you. You'll find it in our Telegram channel so you can check what you have learned today. Let's dive in. What is conjunction? In Russian, verbs change their endings depending on who does the action. Я, ты, он, она, мы, они. This is called спряжение, conjunction. For example, я читаю, but ты читаешь. Он читает. Same verb, читать, but different endings. That's conjunction. How to identify them? Every verb starts with its base form, the infinitive. That's how you find it in a dictionary. Your task is to look at the ending of the verb. For example, читать. The ending is at. So, look at this table. You will understand this is the first conjunction type. Also, the endings on yet, at, ot, ut, t related to the first conjunction type. Exceptions are брить, стелить. They finishes on it, but anyway related to the first one. With the second conjunction much easier. All verbs which are related to the second conjunction finishes on it, like говорить, готовить. After realizing what conjunction it is, the first like читать or the second like готовить, you look at the second table. The verb читать is the first conjunction, and we start conjugating it. Я читаю. Ты читаешь. Он читает. Она читает. Мы читаем. Вы читаете. Они читают. Is it clear now? Leave your comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Let's go back to the second conjunction, the verb готовить. The endings on it, and we realize this is the second conjunction, and we start to conjugating it. Я готовлю. Ты готовишь. Он готовит. Она готовит. Мы готовим. Вы готовите. Они готовят. These are the main patterns about Russian conjunctions. And to check your knowledge, just go to my Telegram channel, do the quick test, and you will check how much you have learned today. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, leave any comments below, and thanks for watching. Пока!